Hey guys, so I'm back with another hair tutorial for y'all. This time I'm showing y'all this super shiny wash and go using some products from the Fantasia IC Jamaican Black Castor Oil collection. Now this is a sponsored video, however these products are tried and true. I never share stuff with y'all that I wouldn't use on my hair because do you see this wash and go? Yes, you see it. Now, let me tell y'all what I use to create this style. So first, before I get to what I use for the wash and go, I use the Fantasia IC Curly and Coily Coconut and Jamaican Black Castor Oil Co-Wash to wash my hair. And I use the IC High Potency Leave-In Hair and Scalp Treatment to moisturize my scalp and these dry strands and get it ready to style. So I styled my hair using two products, simple. 100% natural Jamaican Black Castor Oil from IC Fantasia and the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Gel. To finish off my hair and make sure that it's extra shiny, just the way I like it, I use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mist. So keep on watching if you want to see how I did this wash and go. Now I just finished washing my hair with the Curly and Coily Co-Wash, and now I'm going to add the leave-in hair and scalp treatment to my scalp and my hair and comb it through to remove any tangles, and then I'm going to brush down them sides to make sure everything is smooth. Next, I'm going to part my hair in sections and apply the Jamaican Black Castor Oil from roots to end, and then I'm going to shingle the gel through to do my wash and go. You want to make sure your hair is extremely wet in order to make your coils really pop and really shingle the products through the ends to make sure there's no frizz. If the ends are a little frizzy, you could coil it a little bit with your fingers to get the frizz out and define your coils. This version of the wash and go is called the shingling method, and the shingling method works really well to define coils and type 4 hair, especially 4C where it may be hard to make your coils pop. Although my hair is short, I still have a lot of hair and it's very thick, so I work in small sections to make sure I don't miss any areas. I spray each section with water as I go, and I really work the products into my hair because my hair tends to get dry. So I want to make sure it's really moisturized. And around my edges, my hair gets really frizzy. So I actually do more of a finger coil on that section, just coiling the ends to make sure I combat any frizz. I'm also going to do little finger coils on the sides of my hair and in the very back where it's short. I'm going to continue this process of shingling products through my hair until the whole head is done. If it's nighttime and I'm about to go to sleep, I'll just put on a bonnet and let my hair air dry overnight and hit any damp spots with the blow dryer in the morning. But if I have to go out, I'll sit under a bonnet dryer for about 20-25 minutes and then I'll let it air dry the rest of the way. I just dry it long enough to get rid of the white cast. And that's it, y'all. My hair is now set for the next 1 to 2 weeks. I sleep with a bonnet on at night. In the morning, I refresh with a little water if I need to, lift my roots with a pick, gel my edges, brush my sides, and I'm out. So I love the way my hair came out, y'all. As some of y'all fellow 4C naturalistas may know, a wash and go on a 4C head can be some hard work. Hard work. But the Fantasia Jamaican Black Castor Oil collection just made it easy. The Jamaican Black Castor Oil, which also comes in extra dark, works so well with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Gel. The Jamaican Black Castor Oil left my hair feeling so silky and moisturized, and it got rid of the frizz in my ends, and the gel just made them curls pop, bounce. Like, look at that. You see that? You see that bounce? Bounce. I love it. My hair dried clear. There's no flaking. There's no flaking at all. And those who wear wash and goes, and you know how it could be mixing products. Some products just don't mix very well, and it makes your hair turn white, leaves a cast, and it just flakes all over the place. I did not have them problems at all, and I just love the fact that I was just able to use these two products together with a boost from the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mist for some extra shine, excuse me, and my hair just looks so shiny. It feels moisturized, it's not dry, and I've been receiving compliments all day. It just looks so good. So make sure you try this Jamaican Black Castor Oil collection from Fantasia IC, and if you like the products, you let me know how your hair turned out. Leave any questions in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram. My name's the same.